My family and friends, I will teach you how to make sweet macarons. Very easy. I'll see you in a little bit. Today we're going to make sweet macarons. What are the ingredients? This is very easy because the ingredients are the sweetened coconut flakes. We have 1.5 package of coconut flakes. So we also got 1.5 sweetened condensed milk. So we have, and then we have 1 egg. And then of course you need a mixing bowl and cupcake machine. And if you don't have one like this, you can just use the cupcake liners, or you can just use the sheets, and then use wax paper, put on the wax paper, and then bake in the oven. So very easy. Next, I'll show you the steps. All the ingredients together: the coconut flakes, condensed milk, and eggs. Maybe we'll put a little bit of vanilla to mix it well. Then after that, you can put in the mold machine or the cupcake liner and then bake it.